Dance with me. Dance with me. Why don't you dance with me? What is wrong with you? Love me. Love me. Don't fight me. Love me. Love me. Now for intro.
BC fire bat.
What's up there, people? Say, what's up, kitty? Yeah, what's up? Okay, first off, you saw the title of the video. He's the need for something else. He needs to stop coughing without the covering. Alright? Just when you cough, cover your mouth. Now you be like, Barack, why has this come to your attention to complain and rant about it? I got some simple things for you. Why? It involves being in church. I get it. We in church. You're trying to be all nice. It's church. Being all formal, you're like a super publican, and one person can hear the littlest things you do in there, so don't be loud. But when I'm sitting there in church, staring like this, and you're like, right here behind me, this is your head, and you're going, cover your mouth before I get sick. You're supposed to be nice and kind. If you be all up in church, sitting there trying to get me sick, ain't being kind. And then I love it how when one person in the church coughs, it's like a chain. Second person, third person, and it just keeps going like a chain. All the coughs, like one after another. And it's just like, what is wrong with you people? What? And then it feels like I gotta cough because everyone else is coughing. Like, I can't be coughing because I'm not sick. And like, I don't want to get sick, so I have to like hold my breath. I try to hold my breath so I don't breathe in all your coffee germs you be coughing up. Alright? Let me give you an example of what I would like to say to the person sitting there coughing up a storm behind me, sitting there coughing. What I just want to turn to them and say, okay? Just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you, okay? Would you cover, please? Really? What is wrong with you? Cover your mouth. That's the human society normal thing to do, mister. Cover your mouth. What? You still in kidnap? Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth, or I'm gonna slap you. Cover your mouth, or I'm just gonna. No, I'm not gonna slap you. I may possibly feel like punching you in the face as hard as I can, because you're coughing on my neck, sir. So please, cover your mouth before you are harmed. It's nice and kind. Just cover your mouth. It don't matter if you're sitting there folding your hands, because we're in church. Just cover your mouth. It's not that hard. Oh my goodness. Keep in mind, I said, I would hit them. That doesn't mean I would really hit them, okay? Just cover your mouth when you cough, right, kitty? Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. It's just, I just don't want germs, man. If I get sick, I'm gonna be so mad at this person because all they did was cough. Why would you do that to me? No one likes to be sick, so why would you want to try and get me sick? What's wrong with you? Like, for real. Just cover your mouth. Please. And even besides church, everywhere else, just cover your mouths. Cover your mouth so I don't have to hold my breath for 5 minutes and then feel like I gotta breathe so bad. Stop making me hold my breath because you don't cover your mouth when you cough. Just cover your mouth when you cough. That's the whole point of this rant. Just cover your mouth. Please. Just do it. Just cover your mouth. Okay, I cover my mouth when I cough. As a matter of fact, apple into the shoulder because I cough so hard it hurts. But you know what? I always remember, cover your mouth, or the other person will be feeling like you do, and you don't want that because that makes you a huge giant jerk. No one wants to be a jerk. No one, except for maybe crazy and sick, twisted people out there. But no one wants to scare the people sick. It's just not cool. It's just not cool. Not cool. Okay? So just cover your mouth. That's it. Move on. I can move on now, and I will move on, and you can move on after. And if someone you know does this, it doesn't come to the mouth when they cough, send them this video. So you send him this video right here, explaining what's gonna go down when they don't cover them. Just send them this video, and be like, hey, listen, you cough too much, and you don't cover your mouth. So next time, watch the video. And if they still ain't covering their mouth when they come out, like if they come out of your house or something, and they still ain't covering their mouth when they cough, tell them, you can't ever come back to my house until you learn how to cover your mouth. Okay? You can't come back here. And anyone, as a matter of fact, that you hang out with or see throughout the day, say, I can't see or hang out with you anymore. Give me a call back up when you learned how to cover that mouth. Okay? Great. Good. Set. Send them this video if they're doing it. Period. Okay, guys. Done with the rant. I know, I rant a lot. When I get mad about something like this that happens to me, I just need to just say it on video and then upload it and let you guys know. Because I imagine you guys feel the same way I feel about these situations. It's just like, no one likes it. Okay, I'm a huge germaphobe, so it does not help with Mr. Cough back there. Okay? Whatever. We're done. We're done with that. I'm good. We're set. Great. Thanks for, okay, next video is going to be different. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. A video will happen. I got Pokemon pre-release tomorrow, aka Pokemon cards. I may film that. I don't know if I can, or if I should, or if I just don't want to look like a weirdo filming. I don't know. But I will film probably the Pokemon cards you get and all that junk. And I want to film I want to do something with Pokemon cards. All I know is for the next video. Some of the Pokemon cards, because, I don't know. It may not be Pokemon cards. It could be gaming. It could be vlogging. I don't know. It's just going to be something. It's going to be something cool. So watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button. And, okay, yeah. I'm doing like a different outro here. I don't even know what to do. Subscribe. When you subscribe during the fire family, like this video. Share this video. Don't forget to don't forget to tell your friends about how epically awesome I am. Comment down below about some epicness. I want to make your day a little bit better by pulling you away from your crap and making you happy. Because that's what I want to do and make you better. Okay? Keep being epic. You're epically awesome. You guys are bad awesome. Keep being awesome. How about does it? Peace. I'm BC Firebat. And you guys are the Firebats. I don't even know what I'm doing. Because I apparently... Let me say it one more time. I'm gonna get the freaking outro. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like this video, shows it. Do whatever you want with it. Comment down below whatever epicness you wanna. And when you subscribe to the Fire Family, and don't forget to tell friends about epically bad awesome I am. I'm Beast Firebat. You guys are bad awesome. Keep being bad awesome. And I hope I made you a little bit better by pulling you away from the crap. And there you go. I redid the outro the way I always say it, and I did it. Now for outro. Bye. No. Now for outro. Oh, Batman! Disclaimer, I do not own any of the music or pictures in this video. All rights go to the makers. If you have a heart condition, read this warning now, please.